Hey guys, Mike here from the Weird Red Team, and I have the greatest news ever! I just smashed my Rubik's Cube. Take a look. It's a Rubik's Cube, and then, I do it on the ground in rage and anger. I'm thinking about making a new show on YouTube called Mike's Show of Destruction, where I break things because I hate them. But remember, never break things. Well, never break things at all. But when I broke this, I used safety goggles and my helmet. So, yeah. I don't have anger problems. I just thought it'd be cool to, if I find Rubik's Cube, then I'll. But
did the mommy say we're allowed to bring our scooters?
Dispose of my Rubik's Cube. Tom, you want to help me dispose of my Rubik's Cube?
You're throwing it out?
Yeah. I smashed it. What do you think? Come on, Tom. Let's dispose.
Why do you think you broke it? No, Michael broke it. Why? Did you hate this so freaking much?
Yep, I hate the Rubik's Cube. I don't have anger problems, I just felt like destroying it. Guys, I really wish you could see me throwing it on the ground and destroying it. But, goodbye. Subscribe for more videos, and thanks for watching.